Hi, my name is Lois, and I'm going to be 79 years old, and I've been having this knee problem for a few years. I've had pain procedures done on it, and they only last for a little while, and it got worse and worse and worse. I couldn't walk. I was on a walker and a cane, and it was terrible, just terrible. The pain was excruciating. I heard about this procedure, and at my age, what the heck, I'm gonna do it. And so I came in, and I had it done, and it was no big deal. Just watched them. I couldn't believe what they were doing, and I came out with no pain at all. It's all gone. I am so happy. Hallelujah.